Good morning, good life, and happy Vlogmas to you. I am in a very bright and airy space right now, and it's giving me a lot of life. I also love vlogging into a mirror, just because it means there's a really good mirror on the wall. So that's usually why I'm doing it. I'm in Santa Barbara, California. I also want to say that this is a brand trip. A brand did bring me out here, but it is not something that is sponsored for this video. I just can't help myself. I have to share this experience with you because it's amazing. First of all, I haven't been to Santa Barbara in so long, so it's just so nice to be back, and especially on these terms. But okay, I just got to the Rosewood Miramar Beach Hotel. I don't think it says hotel at the end because it's like fancy. Like we were talking resort fancy, and I showed up like, I'm sorry, I fly like this, y'all. I'm in my Fabletics. So I walked in and I was like, oh, it's real fancy in here. But I'm out here with Mazda. I'm gonna be doing some stuff with them on Instagram. And so because of the Vlogmas spirit, I just thought, well, why don't we just share the love everywhere? So anyway, that's what's going on. But I have to show you this room, okay? First of all, let's just go into the dressing area, which is always good when there's a dressing area and a vanity, of course. But let me just point out, it's the small things, people, okay? Do you see this? The steam iron. Okay, when something as promising as a steam iron is present, you know it's gonna be good. And then, of course, absolutely stunning bathroom with the hotel robe, because you know I cannot do hotels without the robe. If it's not already waiting for me, then I call and I say, I'm gonna need a robe, and then I'm gonna need a backup probably. Vincenzo couldn't come with me, which is such a bummer because I feel like this is totally his jam. But yeah, absolutely beautiful room, and just, you know, all the details. This is so funny, by the way, because I've been shopping for a bar cart that is like this, very similar to this height, this many levels, 1, 2, 3, and gold. And this is the exact one that I want, but I don't think that this is the time to take it. I'm not gonna be able to sneak that one out of here, unfortunately. Anyway, so yeah, we've got a little, lovely little outside area here. And it's also first thing in the morning because I fly very early in the morning and then I gain 3 hours on Pacific time, so it's very bright right now. Beautiful. I love this sign. It's so perfect. Stand by me. So good. Okay, so I'm actually here pretty early. I took the first flight out of Columbus, gained a few hours, I said that already, but basically that means I have a lot of time because we're gonna get ready for dinner later on, and then it's like a full day tomorrow, and then that's pretty much it. I head out. So in the meantime, I've got some work to get done. You know how I like to be in a nice hotel room, get that Wi-Fi going, do some writing, do some brainstorming, get some work done. This is the spot. Might even go to the gym, might walk around a little bit. It's so nice out, but I have a video to get out and then go with the day. So let's do it. I can't believe it's already dark. It's been a bit of a long day, but it's time for my first dinner at Mazda, and I'm hungry, so that works out beautifully. Oh, it's just been a day. It's been a beautiful day because I've been here. I at least went to go work out. I worked out so that I wouldn't let all this anxiety get to me, because there's just a lot of things going on right now that are not making me the happiest. But the workout helped a lot, and just talked to my husband, so I'm feeling a lot better. So now we eat and drink. Good morning. I look like I'm dressed for Ohio, but I'm in California, and it's a beautiful day. I already got my workout in, a little breakfast going on, a little celery juice action, feeling pretty good about that. So today we are getting a chance to drive the Mazda CX-30, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I met my partner last night. Her name is Evelyn Torres, and I feel like we are like sisters from another mister already, which is awesome. So we get to kind of spend the day together and just help each other check out the car and take some pictures and fun stuff like that. Last night was so great, other than being exhausted and getting a headache because obviously obviously I'm on Eastern time and I'm about that morning life, and we were up way too late. So of course now I'm on Pacific time, like that. So funny how that happens. It was great. I mean, we had beautiful dinner, we had a presentation, and then after the presentation, we all just kind of like went to the like lounge area that's at this beautiful hotel. It was just, I think, 8 of us, because they split us up for the presentation. Just like 8 of us girls were in the initial presentation together, and so we were talking, and this girl GATLUW, whose Instagram account is also, so everyone's Instagram account is on fleek. I'm like, oh my god, this is so fun. But GATLUW kind of said, hey, you know, like, how often does this get to happen? Let's all go around and say, you know, what were our biggest learning lessons of 2019 and what our goals are. And I was just like, that is so great. Like, cause it's one of those things where it's like, you have to truly appreciate when you're around people who are like-minded like you, and you wanna find a way to make the most of it, because you know that this moment is so fleeting. Like, there's only so much time we get to spend together. There's only so much that we're gonna see each other in the future, and we can catch up online, but to really be able to sit there and connect in person, this is why I'm like, okay, introvert Amy, like, get it together. This is what makes it so worth it. You just can't do that from behind your computer and from home or your office. Like, getting out and meeting people and talking to them and hearing their experiences. I wrote down book recommendations last night. We were all talking about like, just really like businessy type of problems, like, oh, trademarking things and like how it works and how does it work, and just like all kinds of like really weird stuff like that. Like, you don't sometimes have other people to talk to about it and their experience in the same way. It was just so special, and we all started like a little Instagram message together, because we're gonna do a little photo as a group today. And I just sent everybody a message this morning, and I was like, good morning, good life. I just want you guys to all know how grateful I am that we had that moment together, because it's special. You gotta take those moments. So anyway, I think I just got a little bit more confident to maybe like prompt the next group of people I'm around next time and say like, what are your lessons learned and what are your goals? Cause like, that's the kind of thing I would wanna know anyway. And I think it's even more fun when you do it as a whole group. It just feels more like a community. So I'm feeling pretty good about that today, and always excited to go and try new things. So I'm gonna go check out the CX30 today, which is gonna be really fun, and get to know my partner a little bit better. But first I'm gonna eat a croissant. Okay. Also, this might make more sense of my crazy turtleneck. I'm trying to make this like sweater dress work, and I think the only way to do it is to have like a fun, like mountainy type boot. And so I got these from Just Fab, and I think they're just fab with this outfit, right? I think it works.
Oh, this is so cute.
Good.
You said something really, really funny.
I usually do. Okay, we just got into our CX30. I just want you to see that my partner and I, we didn't even talk about this. We didn't even talk about this, and we're just like,
our turtleneck game is on.
Seriously. The neutrals, the turtleneck, it's very good. It's already a great start to the day. Okay, I don't even know what I've vlogged at this point because it's been such a crazy day. Sometimes it's just so nice to be around your people, right? It's like nobody is insecure about taking 800 photos until you get the right one, and we all lift each other up to get the right one. It's the best. But I came back to curl my hair, change my clothes, hopefully have a different option for later. We actually found a professional photographer to help us out because, you know, a girl can't be good at everything. So that's what we're gonna do now. And then there's dinner later, and hopefully I'll remember to vlog it. Good morning. It's our last day at the Rosewood here in Santa Barbara, and we're actually doing morning meditation and yoga, so I'm obviously all in on that. I love it. I'm like, anytime somebody can remind me I should be doing meditation more often, I'm into it. And more restorative yoga is exciting because it's like, it's just for fun. It's not gonna be like hard. Plus it's on the beach and it's supposed to be absolutely beautiful. I guess some people a few days ago saw dolphins while they were doing yoga on the beach, so it's gonna be lovely, I think. Good morning. Good. Good morning. Fine, thank you. How are you? Good.
6 cross.
Thank you. Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you? Oh, yes. This is going to be awesome.
It is.
Good morning, everybody. How are you? Good.
I need to walk.
So excited. Good morning. Hey, are you struggling to find time for the things you love? Feel like you're constantly on the go, but taking care of everyone else first? You are not alone, and you deserve so much more. Not only are you capable of taking on this challenge, you already have all the tools it takes to make it happen. That resourcefulness is all you need to get activated by your new daily mantra. Good morning, good life. It's my new book, and it launches on Amazon on December 10th. More details at goodmorninggoodlife.com.
One, two. Is everybody here? Okay, here we go. Now the party has arrived.
Yes.
I'm not the party.
Hi, guys.
You are the center of our attention right now.
Where would you like the box?
They're like, can you guys stop filming us and just tell us where to put these things?